I want to send some message out there. Sometimes when my team, we put things out, and I say be a time will be, and we hate people. There's nothing I'll put, and as my team will put on my platform and you're verified. No. And I want to set some records here. Time will be now, there's something I want us to talk about, very important, and it's got to do with in Yomabia AC Ewo Tema Port. Tema Port. Right now, as I speak to you, no vehicles are what Tema Port, and this goes to the boggers. And Abana Mufre Fie, catch a few for say, Omoma Ede, Obobusian for, and Toma John Mahama, any idea. No majority of you boggers are moto Abano. My wife had texted my dear anniversary. Majority, my wife will have shown you if you guys who artists have to member or who's a bit to me, man, club. I man, now, my wife for him to be out. Every day my wife to watch me. Me feel yeah. So there's something happening at the Tema Port, and what is happening in the say, especially more boggers and more brutal. When I was some concentration course, especially in Yansafona, more to abase, sebio port war, nyoma entuminya fluid. Yentumi tete nyoma so cars amode ba na bu containers amode ba na aban bi beba obetie musufre send e be amoso betumi nyoma be fia munuanom ene mubusuafo no so at least they can get something doing, because we all know that the shipping and export or the importing of stuff into Ghana, no, one way or the other, it creates jobs for other people back home. Akufo ne ba omi abetena so no, and we have seen the decline the number of containers aboges to me the ba fie ni nyina because of the high taxes more the car could report ayejemo. And there is something we a bugger, not so a bugger, Papa. I wouldn't say from 2012 all the way to 2016, buggers were able to bring containers home almost to me clear without any hustle. Until Sa Achichidie with twice on a year about the mobile power. And we saw the increment in everything at the port. Now, buggers, men are member information on me. And this is the time you need to let your voices be heard, because media can give the facts. It's up to us to push. And this goes to the NDC administration coming into office. Now, there's something happening at the Tema Port. And what is happening, they say, in Kofi, we are moving from Maham-Nana. Casa, what Tema Port, mo bogus, mo dia, mo pesikabe, you know, they are taking the cars out and giving to their party people. Omo de mamba. So, what Tema Port is here, there are a lot of cars for what. Right now, as we speak, this NPP government, they are moving all the cars out. So, car did 2 days, and what they are doing now, and they say, they know they are leaving power. They know they are getting out. More cars to port where they are finding ways to say, the more jacho, yentuminye way, omu delay, aban best sana oka ni ho. And that is what they are doing now. In fact, I think 2020 there was one gentleman, a near friend, a year, konkonsa. No, you Jubilee House, Mokai. That guy in the ding Eddie Dominic Oponwe J. Asem we around 2020 in the sea. That guy is in America right now, and I see him every day. And the time will be due, because you see that guy not Oyejumo Jubilee House. This is the guy. This guy. Sorry. Name, picture. Yeah, this is the guy, and he lives here in America. Not Oyejumo Jubilee House. He was in charge of transport. The dean at the Dominic Oponwe J. I've heard they say, Jubilee House, I'm an Besha America. He's here. And I'll try and get you people his address. The crime this guy committed in Ghana, Besha America, no? I'm telling you, we didn't see that. That way he was in charge. And before I'm about Tema Port issue, what these people do into when it comes to cars, buggers, listen to me. And the Mahama administration, they are ready to help. But these people, no, some money and Kofi nama monitor. Mobeka se Mahama dimu boni, Mahama nye moshe. Let us monitor these people, because boni o mudi ni in the next 2-3 weeks, no, aseme besi no, you people will have no idea. And ebe ya saboga okawa bruchiri. Na at the end of the day, ye de check MPP girl, ye de check MPP ladies for Baumia, ladies for Akufo. Ebe ya sa obeba na oka, o the Range Rover ba. Or the V8 aba, or the DND aba, near the check party nibi because omnum some free power. There's a reason why I make a first story where about this gentleman, no, ye Jubilee House. Now, in charge of air and transport. So, man, we at a point, cars about 16 V8 boy we atwini nyina yerae otoni nyina excavators be 18 this guy saa de ni see ye no se mo kai sa story na and a free pare e catch media houses ni nyina say nobody should report the story because majority of the cars no na free pare ye dem on okoton ye enti omo ye saa de ni see ye no and omo kill story no. In fact, the story was published in the news. These are the cars Dodo Abrantie we Tema na oye head of transport Jubilee House. Oria yebesi na. We don't know where all these cars are. I'll come to the Tema port issue. Me chow bibi. Okay. So Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number. Sa cars na under that guy. Sa guy I'm doing the picture chire no ye head of transport or Jubilee House no. Cars sa oria ya ye hu cars na chibium. 18 excavators ebe sin na ye hu bium. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number blah blah blah. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis. These V8 ne sa cars when you be sin na ye hu bium. That is why Fremont Paramacas will measure America. In as I speak, this guy are not our friend Konkonsa and Nidin Eddie Dominic upon which are not the head of transport Jubilee House. He's in America here. And all these cars as we speak, we can't find it. We cannot find them. They are gone. The excavators are gone. And this guy is hiding here with the money. I know. He lives around Maryland somewhere. He's around here. And this is something that is about to happen again. Now, let me show you what is happening at Tema Port. Bogus na muti no worship car. Say Akufo ebe free power mujimia omobeton mo car no. Almost start check cars no. Almost start yima party foot soldiers. You have to be very, very, very careful. Mama muni embra form. Now, these are the cars as I speak to you. They are actually giving out. Cars free Tema Port. They are moving all these cars. And we will publish this list. You will see, say, list of overstayed vehicles and motorbikes for publications. Tema. Inti almost say, when you na demorage at chomo, when you na fame. This is what is happening at the port. And the good thing is, we have been able to investigate Akudru point now. Sir officers who are leading this, no, we have chats. We have phone conversations. Officers are many Jubilee House for Konaive, Lord Komi, and Captain Kodamo, and Gabio Chedakumwa. All these cars, and your casket were just one page of what I am telling you. And these are cars that belongs to you bogus. How much shada and delay cars, no? And as I speak, bare 100 they are taking all these cars out. And the good thing is, you officials on your side in custom officials on your MPP4. Jubilee House, and that is what they are doing now. In this, girls for Baumia, boys for Mahama, Akufo, virgins for Fremont Paris, Fremont lesbian. Those kids, no, and afe omuyimukas no echemomo. So when you see the list, we are publishing listing on our site, on Loud Silence TV, on With All Due Respect page. You will see check it or chassis number, na check it car. We are talking about serious cars, motorbikes. Almost in the demorage at show on person toning in our. And the funny thing is, they are not selling it and taking money. They are giving it out. That is what they are doing. They are giving the cars out for free because position also cars in the position. And this goes to the bogus. This is what you have been talking about. This government has never helped bogus. Majority of properties are Ghana. Na sanko fo we aje. Majority of Nyoma Ghana. Na MPP are buying we aje. There are some people are almost losing beer under this government. And these are some of the things that worries Ghanaians because you will be a brochure or the car ba. Some woman a chance obey car almost say no. No more the taxes are better so no more be beer to steal these cars. Where one page. Opel, your Hyundai, your 2024. Cars in 2024, 2023. These are all accurate. Mercedes-Benz. Your Kia Prado, Nissan, your Toyota Corollas. I make sure another page. This is the second page. Opel Meriva, Toyota Yaris, Chevys, motorbikes. So many of them. And what I can tell you as a Ghanaian, we are boga, Oshepon Kofi, ma wenin na ho, o cars no. The cars and MPP4 I started to cars in the chair. omo di CSC. Majority of esikafo mo Ghana ene eye omo garages. Your unkofo bi o car garages or Ghana. Cars esu nyina stolen cars. Ehɔ na omo de kwa Kwesi omo tu car na da Kwesi obi garage baby oton car. Into nom their front car mu ebia 5, 10, 20 na esiwo. Omega so bogus the new cars about omo boa. These are motorbikes, cars, MPP are buying after the chiche. So after this, I will publish everything. Wait, so many of them. And the officers at the port doing this, we have your contact, we have your chat. Officers need become more port one or more cars be about 50 cars officers nafa. And you see, this is what hurts. Because I buy besisa. We need to pay attention to these things. I buy we Jimmy Kofomi Akron 4. We are not supposed to give them space. Into our brochura, you need to add your voice to this. You better publish it, go through it. Oka Woma need to follow up because omo edikas na mamba omo chiche. Me to my catcher say yo hinibi or Ghana ha or Eastern region or you be 20 akomano. Oma chiche cars not around. I know what I'm telling you. So do not play with this. Omo Toyota Vitz, Honda Accord, Ford F250, Omo Ford F150, Nissan Frontier, Nissan Rogues, Hyundai's, Omo Nissan X, Mercedes-Benz GLS 450, Omo Volvo Trackhead. Sign your money nyina. As I speak to you, Omo chini nyina film. The NPP is a crazy party. Muma ye nyina sorry as bogus. I am doing this for bogus. I want you people to understand and you're personal. Your person and then you cannot pay even taxes at the port. It's too much. And this is what John Mahama is talking now. I've been talking about. They want to help solve these problems. John Mahama on the sea terminal Habo, the second phase, you see how beautiful it is. Yeah. Because every time I say John Mahama ton, I on ton is Ghana. Because for some people for Jimmy. So we need to get serious and aggressive. These are the cars. Don't underestimate the MPP. When you know Obebre or somebody be called Abidjan, somebody be other countries. Bogus and cars Tema port. Mon starting your calls. Media Bamon Kasaman Kanchemo. Mon starting your calls. You better publish it. Everything on our page tonight after the show. Go there, pick the documents, go through and find your car. Nebusa buying this car no way. Akufo in the Tiso. John Mahama will be president from the 7th of January. John Mahama nyanya president. Ya tunu swaba mane wini. Ye nyam fa Ghana and share nensa. Inti kwa siebi to Maryland. No kacha will say John Mahama aba na 5 days ni John Mahama nchi obi akaje nsane ma me we Jimmy enya sani achechere man. John Mahama will be president from the 7th of January. Right now is Akufo ne ba omi na lead Ghana. Omo na mu lead Ghana. Omo na mo president. Omo na omo take decisions. The air koso ewo airport ho nyina na Akufo na making decisions no. Ba omia ne Samira ba omia, let me tell you. Samira ba omia owo a dying apartment called 150 wakra. Samira ba omia nko. Yeah. Samira ba omia a dying. Samira ba omia owo 150. Don't underestimate these people. You made the right decision by voting against them. Now you don't have to rest. We need to make sure say ya GBBR because bogus into me nyejuma abrochi na kwasi ebi ntina Ghana and form candy. No. The thing called demurrage or see a twem. It is very important say sa demurrage near the adeni yebe twem because sa eno ne mamu eye that opportunity. Sa nkwasi afoni bi no more port wono any politicians bi se Akufo Addo ne ba omiamo to steal from us. We need anytime John Mahama say they are going to try and make sure say importers mo kranyoma ediba Ghana ene mo shipping your micro Ghana exporters no. What John Mahama person me say say they want to have specialized banks for you people mo betumi banks na di nkomo edi eyensa woso enti sa bank no kwa oso mo swame o me okokompe media me kra engines media me kra cars sika me here am no kra cars no 200 million cedis right now no sa banks no omo warehouses e port ho enti kwa dey now car be do now the bank negotiate no yi car na kwesi akwesi ne garage ho that means say untua demurrage bia e wo hefa e wo Tema port now car no ne bank na ka because bank no on charge with demurrage now when na ka say na obetua. That is how it works. That's how you help the citizens. And na John Mahama ka say sa na wo say ye no into your bag na okra nyoma eduru porta bank on ndi adwuma no na bank na be yi nyoma na kogu ne warehouse into when the government of Ghana ni demorrage bia ade ache na wutua 20,000 dabi wo de one bank na ka say bibia be cost 2 million Ghana oba nyoma ne be report da na bank na assist no move nyoma nyina kogu ne warehouse into one demorrage is gone uni ekabia ho into sika wo de kokofa eye nyoma no esonte now the bank reading card na say that say okay sa sika mu me the 3 months betua if you say me nyoma with the 3 months na sa na bank ne no waka interest no say 3 months say the beye say 1 year say the beye say 2 days on the bank na kan nice no you nyoma Kofi now o capital da ho da ho we na Maham e ka so pese oye kwasiafo we da ho tete aban mu emi enya emma omoba aburuchire betena mpa so ebe bi omahan mu style omunya bi da na ende paper nti yetumi bo moto no omo ma pem ban enso omo beji because omo pekrata mema san kwasiafo de ndadaw right now yanko enim I want to send some message out there. Sometimes when my team we put things out and you say be a time will be and we hate people. There's nothing I'll put and answer my team will put on my platform and you're verified. No. And I want to set some records here. And let me tell you one thing. There are so many people I know Mejuma were affected I couldn't do anything about. And there are some people, sometimes I'm about to do their scandal. They talk to me and I tell them I can't do anything about it. And they are all over the place. They know, it be MPP, it be NDC. So it is not like a personal, your funny people who time say, the best you come once. Answer Rebecca Simbo Hana, near verification, no, I check him who say, right now, no. After our break, we are going to go full force. Illegal mining in Ghana. Guys, mamika bibin chiremo. The gold for oil, no. Sika amanfu ewia every munsemu no. I swear to God. Sa gold for oil na ba omi adebaye no. The theft, the amount of money they have stolen through Bank of Ghana. So utibia, you will not understand. And there are some boys today in Ghana. For about 4, 5, 6 years, they thought to say, Sa power kakrana MPP by Omunya and a typical example is this guy. Sa guy, your friend, your son Apia. This guy, he's a gold dealer. This is the guy some time back, Kumasi. There was a gold buyer. Sa kwano Kumasi no, a call Eastern region. Eastern region when Galam say, a hono to gold. My boy is no more sense as not to go this guy. Jubilee House and Eshenichi. This guy, there was a man in Kumasi who also could be in the shop our Eastern region. Uduro enyinem area who are pretty free. Sakwa we your friend your son apiano. Me say you could break the bar. I'm not for be Johnny name. This guy, the damage he has done to people. Me say a typical example, a young man be no Kumasi or call Eastern region, also not otuto good legitimately. Akwawe Efa boys are not double the DNM. They went to threaten that guy. Actually, two sinito, I catch and say, Adentina or no aba a yedian Eastern region otuto good too much into a territory. This guy. Emma Okituosi saga and so say all free Eastern region. Emma double more. Jubilee House na just wichi and the crimes this boy has committed say okay can say Bichenko say I supported some NDC MPs to come to parliament. What bodam? You supported NDC MPs to come to parliament. Intelligence say you get out of you go through the cracks like that. You are crazy. NDC MP for Mumejo Kwasia. This guy only used to double mo and no boat war Ghana. Utu fear no Roshi will fear. They did that to a friend, Kumasi, a legitimate gold buyer. Akwawe the double muko tree two on so. This boy, your friend, your son appear. Maybe chow chrono the gold for oil na board. This boy, sika o matam every way. These are the boys, power sign. No more say power will never leave the NPP. Bonia boys we dino, and maybe chamo the transactions. A wood dear boy we dear double mo. NPP vigilante boys do Ghana. Ultimate tina kumas na kwa way. Your my instructions every ultimate catch us a Jubilee House say this guy. But he never thought to say power best son. Me didn't come and I'm coming to do a serious job for Ghanaians to know. This guy is not supposed to work on the streets of Ghana, so could jail.